Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer phone number from AT&T. So here's a Reddit post on how to do that. Make sure to search for this in order for you to have a guide. So transferring a number from AT&T to another carrier such as Mint Mobile can be straightforward if done correctly. First, with your AT&T SIM still in place, dial *PORT to receive a port pin via text. Once you have the PIN, insert the new carrier's SIM, Mint Mobile in this case, and open a tech support chat to provide them with the port PIN. Some agents may incorrectly claim you need to contact AT&T to remove fraud protection, but this is not necessary. So push back or request another agent if needed. A proper agent should process the request within minutes. After AT&T initiates the transfer, you'll receive a confirmation text on your AT&T SIM, requiring you to enter a 4-digit code to verify the request. Taking a screenshot of this confirmation is recommended in case the new carrier requests proof. Once confirmed, swap back to the new SIM, return to the support chat, and provide both the screenshot and port PIN for final processing. The transfer should now go through successfully. If using only one phone, you'll need to swap SIMs between steps. But if you have two phones, the process becomes much easier.